Hello guys and welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back love. And if you're new, how about you subscribe and join the fam? Let's share some love guys. Let's share some love. I'm going to be showing you how to this video is just a tutorial on how to make a guideline for sewing your weft down on a wig cap. If you're using your hand to sew or a machine, just make it easier so you have a guideline or a template. So this video is beginner friendly, absolutely beginner friendly. I'm going to show you how I draw my lines, tracks at the back, and towards the closure, I single out my tracks. I start from the very first line, that's right here. The very first line, that's the seam line of where the stitches are on the wig cap strap. And so I'm just going to do that by showing you. And I'm using my white chalk. So I'm done with first line. Because I double my tracks at the back, I like to leave an inch space, about an inch space before the next line, which is actually the same size as the width of my thumb finger. So instead of holding up a tape, I'm just going to use my thumb finger to be marking, to make the marks. So I will not wait to my next side here. So I'm just going to go ahead and correct the mistake I made earlier on. So I'm going to extend my lines to the band, like my first line, my second line, and my other lines from here. I'm going to correct that mistake. I'm going to extend it all the way to I'm just going back in with my chalk to make my new lines very visible. I'm just drawing on top of the already existing lines. Until I get to the top. So now I'm at this. I'm not exactly extending my line on the band here because if I do that, I won't have any space for the last track that's going to be very, very close to the closure. That's just going to be directly behind the closure. So I'm not exactly extending it like the way I extend the other lines. I don't know if you can see that. Now I've got to the point that I like to call point break. So I'm no longer going to be sewing the lines in a curved manner. I'm going to start sewing it horizontally, but I'm still maintaining the 1 inch spacing. I'm going to start sewing it straight, no longer curved, but I'm still maintaining the 1 inch spacing so I get a bit closer to the closure. So at this point, I'm going to reduce the spacing of the lines from 1 inch to half an inch. That's because from now I'm going to start singling out my tracks. I'm no longer going to sew it on the cap in doubles, but rather in singles. I don't know if that makes any sense to you. So I'm going to single out my tracks, and the space is going to be half an inch, which is actually the size of the width of my index finger. That's why instead of holding up a tape, I'm just going to be using my index finger to space it. I single out my tracks at this point because I want it to be extremely flat, and that is what works for me. But if it doesn't work for you, you could as well double your tracks. Just do you be you. I'm just going in with a wet cotton board or swab to clean the areas where there are double lines so that it doesn't confuse me when I'm sewing. I'm just going to make the main lines more visible with a wet cotton board and taking my chalk to just draw on them. That's all. I'm basically done. So I just went ahead and put my wig together, and I used 3 bundles of an 18-inch body weave as well as a 16 or 18-inch body wave closure, and this is what it looks like. This is what I got by following my guidelines. So follow your guidelines. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends. Bye guys, till next time.